Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of this Woscher air inflator with 150 capacity PSI. This is the tire inflator air pump for cars and bike and with the auto off technology, auto cut off. So as this is the open box, the delivery guy from Flipkart only opened this pack. Let us see what are the items which are in the box. Later I'll show you how you can use this for the bike. So the same applies for the car. I'll be showing you at the end of the video how it is inflating the bike tire, and the same goes with the car also. This is charging cable, USB cable. One more thing, you can charge your mobile also with this. I'll test that also in this video. Okay, let me just open the main unit here. Yeah, see here, this is the main unit. It is showing up like Woscher here. Okay, fine. Let me keep this aside. And what else? Warranty cards. Okay, what else? Okay, this is the connector we can connect to the car socket, and we can just plug in here so that it gets power from the car, and you can inflate with this tube. Okay, we'll keep this aside. This got some long cable, so we need to reach the four tires of the car, right? And some extensions, say for example you have volleyball, other balls, or a swimming air tube. For that case you can use these extensions and you can inflate those. So multi-purpose air inflator, you can say, all in one, you can say actually. This is a paper case to carry this. What else? User manual. So it is better you always read the user manual. So the first thing what I'll do is I'll be trying to read all the points that they gave, and so that I'll get an idea. So the first thing in the user manual they mention, like, we need to charge this fully before the first use. So that is the thing I'm going to do it right now. So this is my mobile adapter, which is of 45 watts. So I forgot to show you what are the ports it has. See, the car cigarette indicator is there, right? Cable, that plug we need to plug it here, and this is a C-type cable, and this is the torch light, and this is the USB cable. So for now I'll have this type C, right? I'll be plugging this in so that it gets charged. See here, as soon as I plugged in, it is charging. The first thing is I'll charge it maximum. Later I'll be inflating the bike tire. So let us go there after it is fully charged. Yes, it is somewhat charged. Now first I'll test whether it is charging the mobile or not. Okay, see here, with the USB cable they have given, I'm just plugging this in, so that for one end I'll be plugging this C-type port to my mobile. Okay, this is the input for charging, this is output for charging the mobile. Okay, uh, see here, for one end I plugged in this USB cable, for the other end I plugged in this C-type cable. Okay, now I need to power this on. So to power on, I need to give a long press on this button. See, as soon as I do that, it is, see here, this is in the charge mode, whether you can see or not. Maybe I can lock the screen so that it will be showing up the charging, something like that. Yeah, charging slowly. Yes, you can understand, this is 4500 mAh battery. Okay, the specification. So definitely the primary purpose is not to charge your phone, so definitely this will charge your phone slowly. But just as in one more advantage, I felt this would be one of the good use, so I'm just testing this. Okay, fine. So we'll go for the bike inflating now. Yeah, before going to the bike, I just need to show you a few things. This is the options changing. If I press it once, see it is now it has been set to bicycle. Now it has set to some volleyball or air pump, means swimming air tube or something like that. Those means we'll use these extensions, right, at that case. And if I press it again, this is car. So according to the product you're inflating, you need to push this button once. So we are going to do it for bike, so I'll be keeping it to bike. And see here, PSI, the pressure here showing, right, PSI now it is set to 45. But for bike, uh, my bike is Honda bike, so I checked in online and I inquired the electric or this bike mechanic also. It would be ideal anywhere between 35 to 41. I'll be keeping 39. Okay, you can increase or you can decrease the PSI here. 44 now, this is the plus symbol. You can increase, the maximum is 150 as it is mentioned on the product. Okay, this is torch light, means if you are inflating in the night, during the night, this will be very useful. All the options it has, all the options it has. So let us go to the bike now. Yes, before going to the bike, what I'll do is I'll be trying to take this out. Okay, so this is where you need to connect this knob to the tire. Okay, yeah, you can clearly see this is the screw type. You need to fit this to your tire and you can inflate. Okay, so we are ready, we are going. Yes, this is the tire we are going to inflate with this air inflator, rechargeable air inflator, washer. So this got power off. So first I'll be fitting this to the, what is this, here,
Yes,
and
see here.
I'll try to inflate this.
The cable, right? You can just screw it up so that this will be connected. Now it's time to power on this. See, once this is connected, now you can adjust the PSI power. As I said, I'll be keeping it to 39. Okay, 39. And now I'll pressing the power button. Yeah, see here, this is the current bike tire pressure and this is the set one. So once it reaches the set pressure, it will be automatically turned off, as you see. So just this will be applied for car also. The same procedure, you need to connect, switch on, set this pressure and turn on, and it will automatically turn off once it reaches the set pressure. So if you have any other questions, you can just ask in comments.